Hey everyone, welcome back to a dad life fishing adventure, and today you are going to get some true fishing adventure comedy time as you see what we're willing to do to catch fish and retrieve our favorite lures. So with that, let's see out on the water and don't miss a minute of this great video. Oh, there's a bite. Oh, there we go. Got him. First fish, the little guy. Pint sizer. Oh boy, he was playing. He's playing the game. Very sure to know he was there. That's fun. Pretty little guy to start. Pretty little guy to start. All right, Ned time. Oh, fish on. Sweet. Oh, he got off. Dang it. Oh, there we go. All right. Good one. Oh, easy release. Cool. Oh, fish on. All right. Sweet. Right in the flow. Ah. I'll take you. Oh, you got tangled. Ah. Pretty little guy. Oh, there we go. Good one. Decent fish. Not a huge one, but we'll take him. Oh, it wasn't big at all. Wasn't big at all. Ah, didn't even get to show him. Smacked the crap out of it though. Oh, Reece, I'm sorry, dude. Here's the fishing joke of the day. A retired colonel talking about the good old days asked this question: have you ever hunted bear? A young boy replied, nope, but I fished in shorts. Ha ha ha, that's the reaction. Alright, here starts Retrieve Whopper Plopper. The story. Yep, just in case. End up doing a little fishing if it goes well. So.
Let's do it.
Almost. So we got a pole saw. If we have to, a ladder. It's stuck up, unfortunately, in a tree a long way overhead. hopefully we have the tools to get it out. I think I see the branch. Might be able to cut it if I get up on the shore. And even if it is, I can't clean up. Ouch.
I'm trying to hold this up with my head because it still has it.
Yeah. I hear ya. Ouch. This has to be a prickly bush though. Alright.
And the other shawl.
Hand me the saw. I don't know. I don't think I'm reaching it. Dang it. I'm so close. I mean, it's right there. Daddy's gotta go get the ladder somehow. All right. Yeah, I know. Here we go.
Timber.
It better be on that branch. I don't see it. Do you see the Whopper, Plopper, Reece? Because I don't. Oh, there it is. Yes! I got it. Thanks for watching this video. It started off with just your run-of-the-day fishing trip, catching some dinks, getting out on the water, enjoying it, and then, whoops, we lost our favorite lure and we got right onto it going full tilt to get it back out of a stinking tall tree. So with that, thanks for watching this video. Drop us a comment. We love hearing from you. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and like this video. We would love to have you as part of the Dad Life Fishing Adventure family, and also check out all the great stuff on Reece Life, Dad Life as well. So with that, till next time, we'll see you out on the water.